4 countries in 1 month. Girl, you are insane. Sobrang yaman mo. Ganun talaga kapag mayor yung daddy ko. Just kidding. E di nag-business class ka na naman. Of course. Pero nagkaroon ng problema nung una, nakaka-stress. My dad's assistant was so stupid. I think she was trying to sabotage me. She put me in the economy class. Economy. Can you even imagine that? I mean, I'm not sitting in the economy like a regular person. Duh. Pero di ba may private jet kayo? Bakit hindi na lang yun yung ginamit nyo? Private jet? Oh. Daddy, please, let me use our private jet. Denise, hindi nga pwede. Mainit mga mata sa akin ng mga kasamahan ko. Parang natunugan na kasi nila na I didn't even distribute the donations that I got from them ng bagyo. Sa mata nila, binulsa ko lahat ng mga yun. Which is true. Kinwento mo kaya sa amin ni Mommy yun? Tapos diba, Daddy, I got a quarter of that donation. At hindi nila pwedeng malaman yun. You know what? Maglaylo ka muna sa mga travels or sa pag-shopping mo. Stay away from social media as well dahil maraming sumasabit ng politicians dahil sa mga stubborn children nila. Kainis naman! But don't worry, idadivert ko yung attention nila by visiting the orphanage. Kailangan ko muna magpakitang tao. Makinig ka muna sa akin ngayon, Denise. Dad! End of discussion. The private jet was not available kasi parang may naayos yata. But anyway, I was so much sa assistant talaga. Parang gusto niya akong pahirapan. Just be grateful na nakakapag-travel ka. Also, upgrades are limited. Baka she put you in the economy class kasi naubusan na. Stupid pa rin siya. And Jamie, for the love of someone, this is my grateful face, okay? So manahimik ka na lang if you don't have anything nice to say. You're always trying to be a bad friend, right, Kara? I'm not trying to be a bad friend. I'm just saying na hindi lahat ng tao nakakapag-travel. Also, your dad's assistant was just doing her job. Oh, please, Jamie, don't preach to me. Hindi ko fault na my life is better. That's just how the world works. Some are born to suffer, some are born, well, like me. Yeah, born with the taxpayers' money. Ano sabi mo? My dad works hard for the city. Works hard, wala nga natatapos sa projects under his leadership. Be for real, Denise. Dad, ikaw ba yung tinutukoy sa news? Ayon sa kasalukuyang investigasyon, limpak-limpak na pondo ng lungsod na nakalaan para sana sa infrastruktura, kalusugan at social programs ay umano'y nailihis sa mga pribadong account na konektado sa mayor ng lungsod na to. Nagkalat ang mga peking dokumento, ghost projects at kaliwat kanan sa buhatan ng mga kontratista. Wala pa ring pahayag mula sa tanggapan ng mayor habang nananawagan naman ang mga mamamayan ng pananagutan. Jessica Rivera, nag-uulat. Dad, paano na ako? Paano na kami nila, Mommy? It's also all over the social media. Binubuli na nila ako sa comment section. Akala ko ba walang makakaalam? Don't worry, anak. I'll fix this, okay? Babayaran ko lang sila and besides, kakampi natin yung gobyerno. Lilipas din yan, matatabunan ng ibang issues, makakalimutan ng mga tao. I've been trying to call you but you girls are not answering the phone. My gosh, I'm glad I found you here. I'm in comfort. Kasi hindi maganda yung morning ko. Like, people are so gullible. They are all over my comment section saying my family is corrupt. Naniniwala sila masyado sa fake news. Bias naman itong mga cheap journalists na to. Hindi ba? Jamie, huh? Hindi ba totoo? Stop being clueless. Aware ka. Alam yung lahat yan. Tsaka hindi lang yan sabi-sabi, Denise. May audit, may documents, may evidence. Alam mo, Jamie, kontrabida ka talaga. These so-called documents are probably for my dad's enemies. You know how politics works and my dad is respected. Hindi siya corrupt. Kaya lang naman nagtagal yung daddy mo kasi binibili niya lahat ng mga dapat magsalita. Officials, media, and even voters. And you? Isa kang poster child ng nakaw na yaman. Yung mga relief goods at mga donations na para sa mga nasalanta, ayun. Napunta dyan sa closet nyo as designer bags, designer shoes, and designer clothes. Yung kasadang dapat tapos na, ayun, binabahan na naman, sira na naman kasi bulok yung materials na ginamit eh. You think you're better than me? Oo, kasi hindi naman kami kumakain ng isang pagkain na galing sa nakaw. Hindi kami natutulog sa isang kama na binili gamit yung perang dapat pambayad sa ospital. Hindi kami bumabiyahe or nagta-travel gamit ang isang private jet na galing sa buwis ng isang taong naglalakad araw-araw dahil walang maayos na public transportation. Jamie, you're so cruel. Alam mo, Denise, kung iniisip mo na luxury defines you, wake up. You're not powerful. You're pitiful. You only shine just because your family steals the electricity. Kapag bumagsak na yung pamilya mong corrupt, especially your dad, you'll be left with nothing but the shame of his name. Piece of advice, Kara. Pwede ka pang magbago. Pwede pang magbago isip mo. Don't let her buy you. Kara? May project tayo sa Rizal subject, di ba?
Sabi ng prof natin we need to visit Intramuros and Rizal Park tomorrow since National Heroes Day has just passed.
Oh, na-excite ako bigla. Pero anyway, may naalala lang ako bigla. I can't believe we just lost 3 ranked games last night. I mean, I did my part as a mage, but you... Girl, as a roam, of course I did my part. Nakalimutan mo na ba na may 21 assist ako? And namatay ka ng 18 na beses. Yeah. Kasi roam ako and aside from that, tank ako, I initiate the play. Alam mo, I should be considered as hero. Mira the Kalea hero. I did pretty well. You were such a feeder last night kaya. 2 kills, 13 deaths, and 4 assists. Nasaan ka nung kailangan ka namin? Tapos my gosh, habang naglalaro pa tayo, sigaw ka ng sugod! Because I was being competitive. You plus competitive, chaotic. Feeling mo yata tank eh. You were also doing the sugod thing. Yeah, but with my new emote that I got from MLBB, uy, nakita ko yun, Mira. Gusto ko rin ng gano'n. Ang dali-dali lang makuha nun.
Just log in MLBB and claim the emote and exclusive avatar border for free. Remember, this is only limited and exclusive.
Okay, gusto ko na yun. Now na. Let's play Mira. Sugod! Pwede ba? Tigilan mo ang kakasigaw ng sugod at baka masipa kita.
Sugod!
I wasn't sure if gusto mo pa rin yung matcha, so I got both matcha and Spanish latte.
Wow! Naalala mo ah.
Paano ko naman makakalimutan? Eh, dito ka unang nadulas.
And natawa ka na sobra bago mo ko tulungan.
Mahirap kalimutan eh. I mean, you complain about it for 3 days.
Ang weird nito, no?
Not really. It's just overdue. You still take pictures of everything?
Pipicturean ko nga pala to. Huh? Lobat? Grabe naman yung timing. Di ko pa naman dala yung power bank ko.
Di ka pa rin nagbabago. Here, use mine.
Ang linaw naman nito. And the sounds. Ang ganda, parang mas buo.
Bagong bili ko yan, the Realme 15T. Dual stereo speakers, tapos may antenna array matrix, kaya kahit mahina yung signal, solid pa rin.
Ang smooth din ng camera.
All-around waterproof din yan, IP66, IP68, and IP69 rated. Kaya kahit ma-stress, hindi nag-fade
Unlike feelings.
Exactly, pero may 7,000 mAh battery yan, kaya hindi madaling maubusan. Sana ganun din tayo dati.
Sorry kung napatagal yung paggamit ko sa phone mo ha. Pero ang astig kasi, hindi agad na low bat.
Sabi sa'yo eh, hindi madaling maubos yung battery niyan eh.
Ubus ka na ba?
Ubos? Di pa naman. We can still try.
Yeah. Let's see.
Let's see. So, another catch up? Yes.
Ate, you're up so early again. Seriously, who wakes up early on a weekend? Eh di ako, skincare never sleeps, Nina. Coffee first then everything else. Step 1, coffee. Step 2, cotton pad again. Parang sobrang serious ng routine mo ha.
It's not just a routine, Nina. It's survival. A fresh face, a happy day.
Tsaka everyday is an event. Hindi mo alam kung sino yung mga mamit mo or di kaya what glow you need. Survival next level dedication. Baka gusto mo rin ng motivational ko sa cotton pad. Sige nga, kasi this is not just a cotton pad. This is the clean cotton.
Step 1 in my routine, clean cotton. It's soft, 100% pure cotton and so gentle on the skin. No tugging, no irritation, and fresh confidence every day.
See? Step 1, clean. Step 2, confidence. It starts with clean and good skin. Baka main character energy. Ano yung step 3? Step 3, gisingin si Julie ng marahas kasi late na siya for work niya. Oh my gosh! Girl, weekend ngayon. Oh, mag-morning skincare ka na rin. Total, gising ka na eh. Ewan ko sa'yo, Tori. Ano pong hanap? Wala po. Napatingin lang ako. Sus, kunwari ka pa. Narinig ko na yan. May gusto ka talaga. May bibilhin ka talaga. Sabihin mo na para matulungan kita. Si ate decision naman. Puro hinahanap mo is powder, no? Hala! Ang galing ko naman! Wait, tamang-tama po kasi meron si Dazzle Me niya. The Better Than Filter HD Invisible Powder.
This is the Dazzle Me Better Than Filter HD Invisible Powder. Has dual oil control, shine-free protection, can blur pores and fine lines. This product is a gel compact. It means walang fallouts. Aside from that, this feels like skin and no flashback.
Ang galing po, diba? Oo nga, ang galing mo mang-sales talk. Sige, I'll get one. Out of stock na po eh. Better luck next time. Bye-bye and thank you. Ano ba yan?
Oh, wala ka nabili?
Ay, yung powder sana kaso sold out. Next time na lang. Anyway, nabili mo ba yung kailangan mo?
Oh, oo. Ito,
Yun yung powder na sold out ah.
surprise. Excuse me.
Yes sir, bibili po.
Hinahanap ko yung Dazzle Me Better Than Filter HD Invisible Powder. Nakita ko kasi yun sa cart ng girlfriend ko and I wanna buy it.
Meron po. Ito po oh.
Nice! Favor lang. Ayun kasi siya nagtitingin. So, pwede mo ba siyang i-distract while I pay this item?
Oh, ako rin sir. I-surprise mo. I-sold out mo na itong mga binibenta ko.
Thank you.
Pwede sana all. Oh, sweet mo naman, Wes.